What's up, YouTube channels? How y'all guys doing? Good? Well, my brother's here. And guess what? Liam, tell them. Tell them.
Lindsay is going to eat the spiciest pickle ever.
No, it's not spicy pickle. It's the chamoy pickle, chica, hijo. Alright, well, come on. Liam, hurry up. Okay. Well, we're gonna try this already.
Yes. Did you finish eating? Yes.
And yeah, we're gonna be in this weather, a little cold. Liam, where are we gonna try it?
What?
On the ground? Are we gonna try on the ground?
I guess so.
Right here then.
Okay.
The chamoy pickle. I need a plate, so I'll be right. Oh shoot! I need plate. Need plate, so I'll be right back, guys. Liam, tell them.
You guys, guess what? We hit to 10 subscribers. And here comes Lindsay. Ta-da!
Alright. Well, I got the plate. Liam, we need something to hold on. Alright. So we're gonna Liam, I need something. Can you pass me that car over there? Jair's car?
No.
Liam, hurry.
Okay.
No, Liam, just give me the blue car. Liam, that's not gonna work. These guys taking so long. Put in more. Alright, put it. No, wait, hold on. Put it like that way. Alright, I think that's good. Alright. Here we go, y'all. So we gonna try the spicy. The chamoy pickle. And it says that pickle with chamoy sour juice. I have chamoy and sour juice in it, y'all. Alright.
Pickle Ray!
Pickle Ray.
Pickle Ray!
Oh, how do you even open this? I'm gonna try. Bro, how are we gonna open this? How am I gonna open this?
Nice. I will get the scissors.
Yeah, I got the scissors, please. Oh yeah, also guys, please like and subscribe. Because I just hit 10,000 million subscribers. I'm just kidding. No, I just hit 10 subscribers. Bonnet man's in the server. Alright, well, we just started celebrating. So yeah. Well, I'm waiting for my brother, Liam. Oh, there he goes. Alright. Pickle Ray. I'm gonna try.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, the scissors.
Oh, bro.
I'm scared to try it.
I'm going to
Wait,
play
is
it
this-
outside. And
Yes,
watch
of
you eat
course.
the spiciest pickle.
It's not spicy, it's pickle.
I mean the chamoy pickle.
Wait, is it actually open? Wait, hold on, bro. Let's see.
Let's put the...
I don't think I'm not gonna like this.
Need to be careful with the sauce.
actually taste like? I don't think I'm not gonna like this. I taste it, and it tastes like actual pickle.
Alright, you guys,
Bro.
Lindsay finally got out the sauce so that it doesn't spread everywhere.
Bro, even though my dad said if you don't like the pickle,
It smells so disgusting.
I'm scared. I already tasted juice. It tastes disgusting, bro. I thought it was gonna taste like the chamoy, bro. Hell no. Oh my god, I smell it. I thought it was gonna be good. Oh. Ah.
I know.
Whoa. I don't like it.
We like rock and roll, rock and roll.
I hope it's like, the big fatty.
Oh, the spiciest pickle. I like the
Yeah, I'm just
pickle.
gonna. Oh. Wait, what does it actually have inside?
Seeds.
Bro, I don't taste like anything. I hope my dad
Oh, I
doesn't.
smell it so bad. I smell it. I smell it all the way over here.
I don't think I'm not gonna eat this.
So juicy. Just put one in the bowl. The big one that you rip off. Alright, you guys, Lindsay's going to take off all the sauce buttons and pickles.
No, I'm scared. Yeah, I'm about to taste it.
Whoa, stop dropping the juice.
It's just.
Yeah, get it.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Alright, here. My dad is gonna try it.
Hey.
I don't really like it.
So the thing was that Lindsay bought it yesterday, and she said that she was gonna go ahead and try it. Let me get from my hand. She said, "I want to try that pickle because it has chamoy." So here we are. I know Lindsay's not gonna try it because she's a chicken. And she's afraid.
Does it actually have chamoy on it?
I like pickles myself,
I don't like it.
so this is good.
Yo, I don't really like pickles. Does it taste like chamoy?
It tastes like chamoy.
Nah, I tried it. I tried it a little. I tried the juice.
Ooh, I smell it. It smells like an actual pickle.
But I'm about to throw up.
Why?
It's so bad.
Just like chamoy.
Right, well, this is how it looks. Yo, I'm serious, Papi. I'm serious, bro. Does that actually
Salud.
Well, I'm gonna try it in 3, 2. Wait, what if I actually need water?
You need water for pickles.
Well, I'm just gonna drink that. The pool, okay? Alright, I'm gonna drink the pool then.
Try it, stop playing with it.
Maybe I am. Alright, well, I'm gonna try it already. Yo, what are you like? Here, Poppy, have this one. I could put a
Try it
lot
first.
of juice. A lot of juice.
Put it there. Just try it.
I don't like it.
You said you wouldn't try it, remember?
Alright, hi, my name is Lindsay. I am brave.
Do it, chicken.
Alright. Hi, my name is Lindsay Gomez, and I'm about to try this ugly pickle. And I hope it don't taste bad.
Tastes like chamoy.
If you guys want me to try this, please subscribe.
Like and share.
Yeah.
And comment if it tastes good, Lindsay.
Ready?
Of course it's not gonna taste good.
Oh,
You say you love it. You remember yesterday you said you love
Oh,
it?
yeah,
Hi.
you guys.
Alright, fine. Hi, my name.
Alright, you guys.
Really?
Please comment down below if Lindsay should eat the spiciest pickle
It's
ever.
not
It's not spicy.
spiciest.
And the chamoy pickle.
Lizard. I see lizard.
Hurry.
Alright. Hi, my name is Lindsay, and I'm gonna be trying the pickle, chamoy pickle. 3, 2, 1.
You say you're brave.
Hi, my name is Lindsay. I'm gonna try the pickle.
Crazy.
Wait. It tastes sour.
Need a bite?
I did.
A ver. Bite it. What do you think about it?
It tastes like lemon.
It tastes good. It's not that bad. Eat it.
Lindsay, how does it taste?
You wanna try it?
No.
Eat it.
I don't like it.
Eat it.
I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Bro, I thought it was gonna taste like chamoy, bruh. It's actually. Oh, I don't like it. Ugh. Guys, be right back. I think I'm gonna have to throw this away. Be right back.
Oh my god, oh my god. No.
Oh my god, I thrown up on this. Dreamy like watching. You guys, I thrown up on this.
I'm just kidding. It's just the chamoy pickle. So wait, hold on.
Easy. Yeah. Put your shoes on. We're leaving.
No. It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. MICKEY Bing. Mickey Mouse Road Rally.
You guys want to see my trick? Look. You guys want to see my caca trick? Yes. Comment down below if you guys want to do my trick. Okay? Okay.
You guys! I'm serious.
I can try a pickle.
Rock and roll and ride today. Rock and roll and ride.
Alright. Well, I already tried the chamoy pickle. It does not. Guys, if you guys gonna try that, please don't not try it. Or if you do guys want to try it, then try it. But for me, nah, it tastes like sour. It tastes like actual pickle. But I thought I was even gonna have the chamoy inside. It does not count. That's a fail. That's a fail. And guess what, guys? Well, I hope this doesn't stay along. On my other hand, I hope this actually don't stay along. Papa can go in the front. Rockin' money today. So we're rocking your mind already.
No.
No. Yo, I'm trying to leave. Well, today I'm about to be Spider-Man. I'm about to be Spider-Man. I'm about to be Spider-Man. I'm about to be a Spider-Man. We'll pause the video. Beep. You got 5 seconds. Nah. Oh. No.
Oh my god. I'm the big
Turn into real Spider-Man. Maybe the bike is not too real, but I will use this one.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh no, that's better. Put the Spider-Man mask away. Turn to dreamy like Wati. Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Without the mask. Dreamy like Wati. Don't me get dirty. Love me. Ah! We'll turn into love me. Love me. Dreamy like Wati. Don't me get dirty. Dreamy like Wati. Love me. Nah, this is not the real Dreamy like Wati. That's usually not the real one. This is the real one. Just hang on over there.
Oh, it's cold. You're not going to be short. Not today. Lindsay. Hey, I need you to come get ready, please. Come on.
Do the things you know. Yo, look that way. Look that way. Look that way. No, treat me like what? Treat me like what he. Don't me get dirty. Treat me like what he. Love me. Here you go. You're good.